How to make Google homepage on Safari iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your iPhone. Once you're here, go to the search bar and type in google.com. When the site has loaded, tap the three dots menu at the bottom of the screen as shown. From the menu that appears, tap on the share icon at the very top. This will open the share sheet. From the list of options, find and tap on Add to Home screen. On the next screen, you can customize the name for the shortcut. Once you are satisfied with the name, tap on Add in the top right corner to confirm. The website shortcut will now appear as an app icon on your home screen. Opening it will take you directly to the home page. Following these steps, you can easily make the Google homepage on Safari on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.